welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Bharatnatyam Namaskar and the shloka that we chant before doing our Namaskar. Angikam bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarvavagmayam aharyam chandrataradi tam vande satvikam shivam. Now I will be chanting the same shloka again. I will repeat each line twice so that you can repeat after me. Angikam bhuvanam yasya Angikam bhuvanam yasya Vachikam sarvavagmayam Vachikam sarvavagmayam Aharyam chandrataradi Aharyam chandrataradi Tam vande satvikam shivam Tam vande satvikam shivam. This shloka is dedicated to Lord Shiva or Nataraja. We all know that Nataraja is the Lord of dance. Thus, we chant this shloka before our Bharatnatyam practice or Bharatnatyam performance. Now let's learn how to do Bharatnatyam Namaskar. Before learning Namaskara, I want you to focus on three terminologies that you see most of the Bharatnatyam dancers use. First being Samapada, then Aremandi, and the last is Purnamandi. Samapada is standing straight with your feet joining and your shoulders wide, keeping your hands on your waist and facing the audience. This is called as Samapada. From Samapada, if you quickly open your feet apart and make a V like this and slightly bend, this position is known as Aremandi or Ardhamandi. You have to open your feet together. You can't do this because this is going to cause you injury. So make sure from Samapada you open it how much ever you can. You don't have to force yourself to make a bigger V. If this is your opening, then sit in Aremandi like this. To check if your Aremandi is correct or not, you can see that your knees and your toes are in same direction. If you have done this and sat, you will see that your Aremandi is slightly inside compared to your toe. So this should not happen. This is going to cause you injury. So stand in Samapada, open your feet and then sit. This is called as Aremandi. From here, if you go down and hold yourself, you have to lift your heels. You have to lift your heels and balance yourself on your toes. This position is called as Purnamandi. For the Namaskar, we are going to sit in Aremandi. Hold Katakamukha. Katakamukha is nothing but your index finger, middle finger and your thumb joined together in both the hands. You are going to sit in Aremandi. Hit your right leg. Hit your left leg. Go to Ala Padma and make a circle. Start from the top and go down to Purnamandi. Touch the ground, your eyes. Then hold the Shikhara Hasta in your hand. Now make a circle around your shoulder and then go up, do Namaskara. Come down near your forehead, do another Namaskara, and then finally a Namaskara here. Stop. I will repeat the Namaskara once again for you all. Stand in Aremandi with Kataka Hasta. Lift your right leg, your left leg. Hold Ala Padma in your hand. From the top, make a circle and sit down to Purnamandi. Touch the ground, your eyes. Hold Shikhara Hasta. Make a circle around your shoulders. Do Namaskara. Then Come down to your forehead and then down. Now that we have seen how to do Namaskara, let's understand the meaning of this Namaskara. We see a lot of variations in Namaskara. It all depends to which teacher you have gone to and how they have interpreted their own variation of Bharatanatyam Namaskara. But at the end, it all comes together and forms the same meaning. That is, we are asking forgiveness from Mother Earth for stamping her while dancing. Also praying to God, to elders, to our parents, gurus, and at the end to the audience. We do Bharatnatyam Namaskara twice, that is once before starting our practice or performance and once after completing the practice or our performance. I am starting with the series of Bharatnatyam basics. This is for those who want to learn Bharatnatyam from scratch and also to those who have taken a break in their Bharatnatyam journey and want to restart learning Bharatnatyam. I hope you have found this video informative. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you with another video next week. Namaste.